Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake simple, step by step. We'll start with the foundation, the perfect crust. First, you'll need about 200 grams of graham crackers, finely crushed, and 100 grams of melted butter. Combine these thoroughly, then press the mixture firmly into a 9-inch springform pan. Make sure it covers the bottom and slightly up the sides. Pop it into the fridge for at least 30 minutes to chill while we prepare the filling. Now for the star of the show, the creamy filling. The key here is room temperature ingredients, especially your cream cheese. Take about 700 grams of cream cheese and beat it until it's wonderfully light and fluffy. Slowly incorporate 200 grams of granulated sugar and a small pinch of salt. Then, gently mix in 4 large eggs, one at a time, followed by 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Be careful not to overmix, as this can introduce too much air. Baking cheesecake requires a gentle touch. Preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius or 325 degrees Fahrenheit. For a perfectly smooth, crack-free top, we'll use a water bath. Place your springform pan, with the filling poured over the crust, into a larger roasting pan. Carefully add hot water to the roasting pan, reaching about halfway up the sides of the springform. Bake for 60 to 75 minutes, until the edges are set, but the center still has a slight jiggle. The final and perhaps most crucial step is the chill. Once baked, turn off your oven and leave the cheesecake inside with the door ajar for 1 hour. This prevents sudden temperature changes. Then, remove it from the water bath and let it cool completely on a wire rack. For that perfect, firm texture, refrigerate your cheesecake for a minimum of 4 hours, or even better, overnight. Before serving, gently run a thin knife around the edge of the pan to ensure a clean release from the springform.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.